Connect, the only 100% natural blend that addresses the root cause of belly fat, leptin receptors. We've sourced the purest, highest quality 18 plant extracts and vitamins, put the extract quantities into an easy to swallow capsule to take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA in our FDA approved and GMP certified facility under sterile, strict, and precise standards. Now, Lepto Connect capsules are non-GMO and safe. They do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit forming. And even though losing weight with Lepto Connect is as easy as ABC, the formula is more powerful than any diet method on the planet, because it does not only melt pounds of raw, ugly fat after another, day after day, leaving your stomach flat and toned, it also improves your health from head to toe. You can get a 30-day supply of Lepto Connect for a one-time fee of just $59. That's right, just $59. Before you order, Dr. Wellington, who has researched all of the ingredients of Lepto Connect and ran a lot of tests, and I recommend you take this supplement for at least 90 days just to make sure you reach your ideal weight, no matter if you're 40, 50, or even 60 years old. In one hand, it's about getting your body enough time to process and take full advantage of all the plant extracts and safely lose every single pound that ever bothered you. On the other hand, Lepto Connect is selling incredibly fast, and once it will be sold out, it will take us 3 to 6 months to produce a new batch, as we're only willing to accept the purest ingredients. Of course, we're committed to support you in every way that we can. So we're going to let you order a batch of 3 bottles or 6 bottles for a huge discount. Now, if you say yes in the next 30 minutes, we're going to make the deal even sweeter. You'll receive a special free bonus. It's called Lepto Connect Colon Cleanser. We want you to detoxify and support the organ responsible for your nutrient absorption and restroom regularity. So, in order to make sure you have every tool you need to feel great, we created this 100% natural blend to increase your body's ability to absorb all the special Lepto Connect nutrients. Ingredients such as psyllium, bentonite clay, flaxseed powder, and black walnut hull will ensure your colon is detoxed, clean, and fully functional. If you buy 3 bottles of Lepto Connect right now, you get a 30-day supply of Lepto Connect Colon Cleanser worth $89 for free. Or I'll cut you an even better deal. Buy 6 bottles of Lepto Connect and you'll get 2 bottles of the Lepto Connect Colon Cleanse worth $179 absolutely free. Plus, with every order made today, in addition to the free bonuses, you'll also get free shipping. Now, how does that sound? Take a look below. Now, if you're skeptical, I totally get you. You've tried a lot of methods, you spent a lot of money, and nothing worked. But I am so confident that Lepto Connect works that I'm going to give you our ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't experience dramatic improvements or you're not content for any reason whatsoever, we'll issue a full refund, no questions asked. Now, taking Lepto Connect along with self-care is always the best way to go. So all you have to do today is click below, fill in your payment details on the secure order form, and submit your order. I can't wait to hear your success story.